Let's check out the brand new KZ EDX Pro 2 IME earphones. So these over here probably are the best value for money budget IME earphones that you can get in 2026. So first as you see we have the spec here. By the way, the KZ EDX Pro, so the previous version of these earphones, actually were the most popular IME earphones in the world. So essentially this is a brand new model of them, and I suspect this will even be maybe even more popular, because yeah, they actually have been upgraded when it comes to sound quality. So yeah, let's check it out. So we actually have fairly decent packaging. So I have already used these now for a while, and generally I'm actually very impressed in these. So I tried to repackage everything back as best as I could. So yeah, inside the box we also get some paperwork and also your cable here as well. By the way, if you are looking to get these earphones, so in the description I'll include a special discount link that you can use and get them for insanely good price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only like $7 for mine, and that also was with free shipping for this price. Again, these are completely unbeatable. So at the moment these are maybe like $1 or $2 more expensive than the original KZ EDX ones. But again, yeah, when it comes to sound quality, yeah, if you're wondering which ones to get, definitely, yeah, get these. And first, let's check out the build quality on them. So it's all plastic build quality, but actually they're very, very solid indeed. So you see you have the new logo here. This thing over here might be simply for looks. So we have the connectors here. Very decent tips here, and also see we actually have fairly decent drivers inside. So also when it comes to size, so let's remove this, and this is what it looks like here. Yeah, when it comes to build quality, at this price especially, really I do not think you can actually get better ones. Also actually they look very nice as well. And also these tips appear also very soft and comfortable as well. They might also have received upgrade probably. And also inside the box you get very decent cable as well. So the cable also appears different than on the previous ones. By the way, if you want to see the review of the original KZ EDX, I also have a video basically on them, both for the regular version, also for the Pro version. So you see this is kind of more like silvery cable. On the original ones it was slightly different feel, maybe pretty much the same. Also the plug quality has remained probably the same quality here, so actually very, very decent. So again, I have used these cables on KZ earphones for quite a long time, and generally they're actually very reliable, so you can use them, abuse them just as you want really, and usually they're completely fine really. So this is what the tips look like. Okay, so you see we have this casing here over the basically the lid on the top, which actually makes up the form basically of it. So, and these simply sit over on your ear like this. Also we have markings here as well, which one is right and which one is left. When it comes to negatives, however, we still do not have any marking whatsoever to indicate which one is right and which is left bud essentially, and how to actually put them together. I think that's completely stupid, and they should definitely actually do that. So it doesn't really take much effort to actually simply print like details how they actually go together. I see a lot of beginners struggle. But yeah, anyway, if you also can't figure out which is right, which is left, so on this side, this is a right side and this is a left side. So essentially the other way. So again, so this will be the left earpiece and this is the right. So to attach them, so let's take this right one for example, find your right cable, so at least that, yeah, we have markings there, which is right. And also you see you have the microphone on the right side as well. So to connect them, so you see, we can simply snap these together here like this. Simply push them on, and actually the hole is very, very solid. Okay, and then the other one, so again simply hold like this. Okay, Yep, so essentially like this. So this is how they should sit. So this is right side and this is left side. So you see the tip kind of goes basically like that. And it sits on your ear like this. Okay. Yep, they should definitely include simple markings like we have on other earphones. When it comes to sound quality, so if you're wondering if these are just as good as the original KZ EDX ones, so the previous ones, are they actually similar, then actually nope, these are actually significantly better in my opinion in pretty much every single way. So the thing is, with the original KZ EDX ones, so the Pro models and also regular ones, they were actually like very good earphones for the price you're paying. So again, at that price, maybe like $5 or $6 that they usually cost, you couldn't actually get like better sounding earphones. For that price, they're absolutely fantastic in my opinion. But these definitely they shouldn't actually cost this little money essentially. So again, like $8 or euros essentially. If you compare the sound quality of these versus maybe even like some like $40 earphones, then actually in some areas I even prefer these. So again, I'm not kidding. By the way, again, I purchased these myself, so no one has sent me these. Yeah, so again, just generally impressed. So yeah, also what I absolutely love about these is insanely good clarity of them as well, and just how insanely crisp they are essentially. So if you like, for example, listening some vocals, these are absolutely fantastic. So everything is very, very clear. Usually on these cheaper earphones, at this price especially, they are kind of muddy, so they aren't premium listening experience, but these again are literally just as good as way more expensive earphones. So again, the original KZ EDX ones maybe were almost just as good as maybe some $20 earphones, so maybe 25, but these maybe like some 40 or even actually more expensive. In fact, again, so on this channel, maybe in the past year, I have had like 20 different pairs of IEMs, so I have tested actually quite a lot of them. A lot of manufacturers even send me them. Yeah, so essentially I have seen some earphones at like $50 or €50 range that actually are worse than these. So again, at this price, really no idea how they can even do that. So yeah, if you're wondering if these, how do these compare to the previous version, then again, significant upgrade in my opinion. Also, volume also is insanely good on this one. So I'm pretty much listening at maybe this kind of volume only. If I actually try to go further, it's maybe already getting a bit too loud for me. Yeah, also, again, very well balanced as well. Also, when it comes to bass, so essentially lows, also again, significant upgrade actually over the past ones in my opinion. Also here we have the frequency response graph if you are interested in this stuff. It's not the clearest, but you can kind of get an idea of how they perform. But in real life, essentially, you definitely shouldn't actually pay much attention to this stuff. Usually at this cheaper range earphones, these frequency response graphs actually do not mean anything at all. So you simply have to get the earphones and simply listen at them and see how they actually perform. So a lot of the stuff is often like stretched basically by these manufacturers. But yeah, at this price, really, these are totally unbeatable. So if you, for example, also literally go online and try to purchase these, you'll probably land on the KZ website where they actually literally charge like 45 euros for them. What the hell is this? I mean, yeah, so yeah, this is not the actual price you should pay them. So they may be putting some retail price on them. But yeah, the actual price is maybe like $8 if you follow those links. Again, that also is actually from the AliExpress official KZ store. So if you follow those links for the price, again, absolutely unbeatable. And also let's check out the microphone quality on these as well. So currently I'm speaking maybe like 15 centimeters away from them, almost directly inside them. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. So also when it comes to microphone quality at this price, this is probably the best microphone you can actually get on any pair of earphones. Also I have a microphone test on the older ones on my channel as well, so you can maybe go and also compare if you are interested in that stuff. But what I'm seeing, the volume actually is significantly better on this microphone, on these new ones, and also the clarity also I'm actually seeing that is also improved. And now I'm back to my normal microphone. By the way, I'm using around $300 dedicated microphone to actually make these videos, so you can even compare. But yeah, when it comes to all cheap earphones, this probably is in the top 1 or 2 basically percentage when it comes to microphone quality, in my opinion. If you basically use it for maybe some studio recordings, I'm hearing a bit of self noise, but apart from that, for basic calls, these are absolutely fantastic in my opinion. Also, you see you have the like the pause button here as well, and also I guess to answer calls as well. By the way, by default, these do not actually come with a microphone. You actually have to pay like maybe like 50 or 60 cents extra to get the microphone version. So if you need that, you can definitely get the microphone. Actually appears very solid on these as well. Also, when it comes to negatives, when you purchase these earphones inside the box, you actually do not get any spare tips with them as well. For example, the original KZ EDX Pros and the regular ones actually came, I think, with like 3 extra pairs of tips, but not these for some reason. But I have some excellent news. However, when it comes to fit, well, at least for me, these fit absolutely fantastic. So even though the previous ones actually came with like 3 different pairs you could choose from, I actually never found like one pair that actually fitted me great. So they actually sometimes even like kept falling out on me. Again, they didn't actually fit very well for me, but these fit like so incredibly nice basically. I hope they will be also that good for you as well. But again, maybe it depends on your ear canal. So as we are obviously each a bit different, but at least for me, these feel mega comfortable. Also, they also appear to have like very decent like passive noise cancellation properties as well because of the excellent fit. So when you actually insert them inside, they also provide like actually very decent noise cancellation as well. And overall, is the new KZ EDX Pro 2 actually worth it, and should you maybe get these? Well, yep, I do not think that's even a question, because when it comes to value for money and the actual performance and the sound quality, microphone quality and overall build quality, again, these are totally unbeatable. So again, no other earphones even come close to these. And in fact, I think KZ even has shot themselves in foot by actually making them way too good for this price. Essentially, I think they will actually lose sales on their more expensive models, because literally most people actually probably do not even need to spend more basically if they actually still want like decent sound quality. So these can actually provide that. So if you're wondering, yeah, if you should maybe get these or maybe one of their more expensive models, definitely actually try with these. I think most people will be completely satisfied with these, and I do not think you will actually maybe need even more expensive ones. So again, good point to start. Essentially, I couldn't say the same about the previous ones. So the basically the previous version of these, they definitely weren't as premium as these ones. So yeah, if you're wondering if there's actually like noticeable upgrade over the old versus this one, definitely yep. As in my opinion, it's actually absolutely crazy upgrade. So again, yeah, if you also want to get them, so simply check out those links I'll leave in the description. I'll leave for the like the headphone jack version, also the basically the Type-C version as well, and also with microphones as well if you want them. Again, this is also directly from the KZ store, so just from AliExpress. So I think that is the cheapest place where you can purchase these. So like maybe like $7 to $9 depending on which kit you actually get, with free shipping for this price. Really absolutely insane what we're getting here. Okay, good luck.